Yesterday we had, in the beginning, we had talked about what is a right angle triangle. Is it? What is right angle triangle? Then we had seen that in right angle triangle there are three sides. One angle is 90 degree. And there are two acute angles, and the side opposite to 90 degree angle is the longest side, which is called hypotenuse. Is it? Then we had also discussed Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, what was the conclusion of Pythagoras theorem? In any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Is it? It means h p square plus b square equal to अब आम्ही आज क्लास सुरू करले तिमीहरु साइलेंट बस्नु अब म तिमीहरुलाई देखाउँछु Look, can you read what is written here?
Yes, sir.
So as I had promised yesterday, today we will learn about making some formulas. Those formulas are a relation, mathematical relationship between trigonometric ratios. भनेको कोसँग कुन नाता छ त्यो. So first we know yesterday we had named trigonometric ratios. Sin theta was equal to p by h. Cosec theta was just inverse of this h by p. You p by h, you उसको उल्टो h by p. And now let us try to multiply them. Sin theta into cosec theta. So what should we get? P by h into h by p. You know everything will get cancelled. One is left. So you can say
Yes.
sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. This is first formula. Now this formula can also be written this way. Sin theta only equal to 1 by cosec. This will go this side. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1, 2, 3, these are same formulas in different forms. Means all these three formulas give the relationship between sin theta and cosec theta. Sin theta र cosec theta को बीच को relation ले बताया. Similarly, cos theta equal to b by h and sec theta equal to h by b. Again multiply. b by h into h by b equal to 1. भनेको cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So we can also write these formulas as cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta or sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Understood? So what we are doing today, it is linked to what we learned yesterday and before that. Now third, tan theta equal to p by b and cot theta was equal to b by p. We have learned yesterday. Now multiply tan theta and cot theta and let us check what happens. P by b into b by b. Everything cancelled, 1 is left. So here also you can say tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Or tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Understood? अब यो तिमीहरुलाई सानो बनाइदिन्छु अलिकति यसलाई हेर्दै गर त एकछिन ल एक मिनेट यो रिभ्यु गर म आई विल बी ब्याक So have you seen this properly? So now I'll go to next page. Now let us see another set of formulas. 4 number. What happens with if we divide sin theta by cos theta? Let us try. Sin theta was b by h, cos theta is b by h. Now this fraction has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So how to tackle this type of fraction? The denominator is reversed. It is equal to p by h into h by b. H and h cancelled. What is left? P by b. And p by b, you know, it is tan theta. So conclusion, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Is it? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now next, Divide cos theta by sin theta. Reverse. Cos theta is b by h. Sin theta is p by h. So b by h into h by p. Here also h cancelled. B by p is left. B by p, you know, it is cot theta. So what conclusion we draw? Cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. And now another formula. It is with a square. This formula I have written in the beginning, and then how it became, that verification is explained later. What is the formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Let us verify this. In Pythagoras theorem, what we have learned yesterday, p square plus b square equal to h square. H is hypotenuse, p is perpendicular, b is base. So p square plus b square equal to h square. Now, see, these mathematical operations you learn in compulsory math algebra. So divide both sides by h square. Who is drawing these lines? Don't draw. Now, b square plus b square by h square. This is left side, right side was h square by h square. Means what we had written here, that we have done here. Divide both sides by h square. So right side, what happened? H square by h square cancelled, 1 is left. So, and this side, this is how to break a fraction. There is plus sign. So you can write p square by h square plus b square by h square, which is equal to 1. Now p by x whole square plus b by x whole square equal to 1. This is the rule of indices. There is a square in both numerator and denominator, so you can write together this way. Now you recall p by h means sin theta. Is it? B by h is cos theta. If you forget, you see yesterday's class. It was given yesterday. P by h, perpendicular by hypotenuse means sin theta. Base by hypotenuse cos theta. See, p by h whole square plus b by h whole square equal to what? Now, sin square.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, my friends that in mobile password is not getting.
No need of password.
Incorrect password is showing.
Who friend?
Utkrishti.
There. How you all have connected? You had to give password.
Yes, sir.
Hey, tell her that how yesterday's WhatsApp notice she has to see. It is not like before.
So it's not coming.
What you have done, that you communicate with her.
Okay, sir.
Tell her I am posted in WhatsApp again. Yesterday's link. Now, see, one thing you have to know here. If you don't want to write this bracket, then what to do with this square? Like in algebra, x square. How do you write? X and then 2. If you put x in bracket, then you put a square outside bracket. But here in trigonometry, with these trigonometric ratios, there is one system that is after you do, if you don't want to write this bracket, then this square should not be kept here in the end. It should be kept here before that angle. Sin sine square theta. This is how to write. If you want to put bracket, then this is all right. But if you don't want to write bracket, then you have to write a square just before theta. This is the system. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the final formula. And this formula can also be written in this form. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Because if this, see this cos square theta, there is plus sign. If this is moved this side, it will be with minus sign. So sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. This is how to verify this formula. Hey, who are Utkrishti joining? Who is this J2? Now next, I'll go little quickly. It is in same pattern. Next formula is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So its verification, again we'll start with Pythagoras theorem. P square plus b square equal to h square. Here we divide both sides by b square. In previous one we are divided by h square. Now b square. Divide both sides by b square. Break down this fraction. H square by b square. P square by b square. Here b square by b square will be 1 after cancellation. Is it? So P by B whole square plus 1 equal to H by B whole square. Now P by B is tan theta, H by B is sec theta. So how can we write? 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. This galaxy J, this is of Utkrishti.
No, sir.
Then so many times they are requesting, I am admitting. It is, I think, problem of internet. Their internet is not working. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, or sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus. So this formula can be learned in these 3 ways. This is same. Now last. Now last question, last formula. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay. So here again same pattern is same. We will start with Pythagoras theorem, but now we will divide both sides by p square. See, one by one we are changing. First, in first formula we divided by h square. Second formula divided by b square. Third formula we are dividing by p square. So p square plus b square by p square equal to h square by p square. Now break down p square by p square plus b square by p square equal to h square by p square. P and p, it is same. P square by p square will cancel. It will be 1. B by p whole square equal to h by p whole square. 1 plus b by p, you know it is cot theta whole square equal to cosec theta whole square. So if you don't write bracket, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. We can also write cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square. So these are how many basic 8 formulas. Now your duty is to see this page again and again. Write down in your copy and memorize these formulas. Tomorrow I'll ask you all the formulas. Utkrishti, why you could not join? Why you are late? You yes, unmute it. So in tomorrow's class, see this is video class and you are only 7-8 students. So I will keep you on the screen and I'll ask you these formulas. So today is serious task for tomorrow. Tomorrow I won't teach anything new. Only I'll ask you formulas. These 8 formulas in all the forms. So whole day you keep memorizing. Because understanding is one thing and memorizing is also necessary. So you have to memorize all these formulas. So today I am going to end this class. I hope you have enjoyed. You know, mathematics, it gives mental tension. You have to understand from here. But once you will know, it is easiest subject also. So don't delink yourself. What I have taught yesterday, that is directly related to what I am teaching today. So what I will do tomorrow, that is linked with what I am doing today. So always mathematics develops in such a way, simple to hard. So we are doing simple things, and after some days, some classes will enter into difficult area. At that time, this knowledge will be needed. So you be prepared tomorrow and bye for today. So those who have joined late or those who are joining first time today, after few hours you can watch this in virtual class. Same thing. Bye. Bye.